Welcome back to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. I've been killing some time here, relaxing, going almost on to 5 hours since I've been here, waiting for a door so I can get unloaded. That is what about 5 minutes delay from being on time may do to you, but outside of that, with this location, they also understaffed at times, which is part of delays. So we will see. I'm here. It's all that matters. Stuff ain't going nowhere. Stuff still is gonna get unloaded here today at some point. All good. I ain't tripping. But one thing which is always good are these rust color ties that also go very well with the black dress shirts. And since it's been a bit cooler when I woke up, I actually wore not too long ago because I got a little bit too warm, since it's warming up now, my nice knit woolen crew neck sweater. Is actually Ralph Lauren, this particular one, over my shirt. And we still have, from the cloth and the electricity friction it did with pulling it off, fibers all over this black shirt. Just kind of like a note to keep a like a cloth roll, which I don't have with me currently on the truck, unfortunately. Otherwise I would attend to and see to it to have this shirt cleaned up from it. Outside of that, it's not too much of a big deal. My apologies. I'm back here where I store my head collection. Oh, here it is, what I found. It fell in there. My tie clip. But this year is one of the Winston Churchill favors, pursuing his hobbies. The Stetson Open Road, in this case fine fur felt of the 6X line. So fits true to size, really nice, and it does work really well even with this attire that I'm wearing currently. Well, it's pretty versatile. The Open Road Stetson. My Homburg, more dressier, classic fine fur felt, originated in Germany, named after the town Bad Homburg, with the center grease and the medium high crown, short upward brim. So even this fits really nicely with this attire. I could even still wear my knitwear too, and my jacket over it, just as I done this morning with my fedora, which I don't have here. I have it in the other I have it on my dash. So now here goes also nice with it. If you want to tone it down a little bit more casual, Peaky Blinders. In this case, it's a newsboy wool. Yeah, goes also nice with this attire. outside of the tie, even my service head still would go with the black dress shirt by itself. Even so, it's been light blue, white and khaki tones throughout the service, depending on your rank and job. I still use this head when I'm flying my general aviation aircrafts, because I can wear a headset with this head around it, the aviator headset, so I don't even have to take this head off. Now here, another flat cap that is going to put some counter contrast into all of this, which is in bracken brown tweed from London, England, actually Christy Hatters to be exact. Fits true to size. And then we have a most stylish gentleman's hat, bit more business formal, the bowler. Short upgrade brim. This is from my headband. I still have to retire it. So this is also a fine fur felt, very stiff hat. This is the military version. Very nice hat, which I got to clean some of this dust off, I suppose it got. No biggie, I can get that cleaned off if I find it now. Look like this on it, I don't see it. Weird. Where's my other hat? I know I had another one. Just don't know where it went. It's supposed to be in here. No, there's just my other dress watches. Oh no. Duh, because I worn it not too long ago with an outfit. In an olive green base tone, also a tweed flat cap, which would also work with the currently, even with this tie, nicely together. Also from London, in this case Oliver Brown. And my beloved fedora hat, which has brown tones in the headband, and this gray. Perfect, very perfect. And this one here is actually by Borks and Scott Hatters. I like it. It's of a medium weight, and I do have my for the warmer days. It's one of my summer hat collections, which I got actually with me on the truck. The Bull Rider, made in pine by the Turner Hat Company. Hand-woven pine, fits true to size, nice and snug, and it gives you a little bit more protection from the sun. At the same time you stay cool. Nice hat, good hat. shouldn't fly off that easily, at least with how it fits on my head. Reminds me a bit of my military service hat. Also nice and snug. But this also would fit with this current shirt and that tie. To be in the summer, a bit more dressed up, I suppose. And one of my followers asked me if I would do like some financial advisory on my channel, which I will do in due time, to talk a little bit about the investment world and types of strategies that one can implement to beat the rat race and build really true wealth, and how to build not only true wealth, how to keep that wealth for generations. So for generational wealth, so to speak. Yeah, I'm back here in my sleeper now. Now I just piled all those hats back. Looks like a whole mess. But yeah, I got. Usually I'm laying my overcoats on the bed before I'm driving, just as well. It's my fragrance collection that I keep with me. When I'm not driving, I'm hanging them up in my office area, as my closet here is too small for the overcoats, yet some of my other coats fit in here. My from my black suit, the suit jacket, then summer brown in linen knapsack, a sport coat. Then here we have from my blue suit, the suit jacket, which this and that is all Brooks Brothers. Then I got here two, actually, or there's just one. Maybe just that one. No, there's two. I have here my tweed single-breasted waistcoats. The top one in forest green is actually by Weavers of Ireland, and the one beneath it is woven in England from an English tweed mill. However, I got it through Spear and McKay. Here's my General Aviation jacket, leather jacket, with the General Aviation wings and the first officer rank, second in command. And then I have here my blue single-breasted linen sport blazer. It's actually by a newer brand, Paul Frederick, and a blue tie with it too. Here, my Brooks Brothers gray, black blue linen sport coat. Here from my seersucker white suit, the jacket that I have with me, also summer fabric, which is also Paul Frederick. Here is a linen double-breasted beige off-white waistcoat, double-breasted, with a V-cut, not the horseshoe, so it's for daytime wear on the more formal levels. And I do have here somewhere, I did put my underneath here's my blue double-breasted waistcoat by Edge and Ravenscroft, England. Very fine woolen material, very elegant, easy to pair with your morning wear or anything else. With odd vests to create a more business formal look to just a formal attire period. By choice. Yeah, you notice I got my fire helmet here from my times as a volunteer and still some responder medical gear. Just in case, I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Put my flat caps back up here. And my normally you would store them on the ground. But hence of the room I'm here, I will just have to make do with what I have to store them. I think yeah, now I see it. Yeah, I can get that with a head brush removed from there. So I'm gonna put these back up here where I keep them hats, except this one goes back up there. This one is the hat that I'm wearing today with my attire. And I got a whole tweed suit with me. Actually, the tweed suit jacket is right here of Harris tweed, which is actually from the brand Peter Christian. Really nicely, fits really good quality. This overcoat in black is actually from a brand House of Cavani. It came with a inner liner that I removed just because that coat is like an additional liner outside of this here. Via that zipper was the additional liner attached, which I just removed. Here's my double-breasted navy blazer. Yeah, I got my Legions of Merit attached to it. It's also an amazing garment. And then I still have a gray single-breasted overcoat with me here in my sartorial attire collection that I have with me on the truck. Just as well as of a camel tone or a earth tone, if you will. So far, the only double-breasted long coat is of this Prince of Wales fabric. Happens to be in a black and white contrasting tone, which makes it fairly easy to pair with quite a few items. So outside of that, I do own a trench coat, which I do have at the house. Maybe next time around I will bring that out and leave maybe one of my other overcoats then at the house, just because due to space here in this truck. Now, outside of that, I'm using my actively worked income. Great portion of that is going into the businesses that I have invested in, and which in return keeps building the wealth in the background. So appreciate for tuning in. Excuse my mess here a little bit, but yeah, I may need to get to the barber again when I get home. Outside of that, all good. And get the fabric roller. Uh, since I don't have no damn cloth here or nothing to kind of pick those fibers up off of this dress shirt. Yeah, then appreciate tuning in. I'm here currently in the Denver, Colorado area. So before I reload sometime today and head for Nebraska. All right, I'm out.